Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Servus. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we learn how to ask questions with the word could in Austrian dialect. In standard German you'd ask könnte ich oder könntest du, but Austrians prefer a shorter and simpler form, at least when it comes to speaking. The word could is very useful, it's polite, flexible, and perfect for requests or suggestions. Let's explore how to sound like a local when asking questions with could in Austrian German. Auf geht's! The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to ask questions in Austrian German dialect. As I mentioned before, could means könnte in standard German. In Austria, many people use Kunnt oder Kennt when they talk to each other. In general, we need Kunnt oder Kennt in daily speech, especially when asking for help, directions, favors or permissions. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. First of all, we start with examples about everyday situations. Kannst mir du das schnell erklären? Could you explain that to me quickly? Kannst du mir das schnell erklären? Könnt man das später machen? Could we do that later? Könnt man das später machen? Now we take a look at some examples about asking for permission. Könnt ich was fragen? Could I ask something? Könnt ich was fragen? Kannst mir du kurz helfen? Could you help me for a moment? Kannst mir du kurz helfen? And now we take a look at some examples about making polite requests. Könnten Sie das bitte noch einmal wiederholen? Could you please repeat that? Könnten Sie das bitte noch einmal wiederholen? Könnt ihr Sackerl haben bitte? Could I have a bag, please? Könnt ihr Sackerl haben bitte? We've just seen how to ask a question with could in Austrian German. Now it's time to learn how to use it with various pronouns. Könnt, could I, könnt, kannst du, could you, kannst du, könnt sie es, could he, she, it, könnt sie es, könnt man, could we, könnt man, könnt ihr, could you, könnt ihr, könnten sie, could they, könnten sie. I hope this tutorial helped you to become more familiar with the typical questions with could in Austrian German and dialects. Just to remember, these forms are mainly used in spoken language. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the podcasts How to Understand Austrians and other videos on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.